Good morning, children. Today, let us continue our topic rounding significant figures. In our previous classes, we learned how to round a number to one significant figure and two significant figures. Okay. Today, let us learn how to round a number to three significant figures. Look at the fourth significant digit that the number has. If the fourth significant digit is less than 5, then round the number down by removing the rest of the number after the third significant digit and filling in with zeros. If the fourth significant digit is less than 5, then round the number down by removing the rest of the number after the third significant digit and fill in with zeros. If the third significant digit is 5 or more than 5, then round the number up by adding 1 onto the third significant digit and removing the rest of the number and filling in with zeros. Let me explain this, children. Our first example is 5261. Okay. Here we are rounding this number to three significant figures. So look at the fourth digit. Here the fourth digit is 1. Okay. 1 means which is less than 5. So the number becomes 5260. Replace this 1 by 0. Okay, because here the fourth digit is less than 5. So write 526 and replace the fourth digit by 0. Okay. Next is 73.285. Look at the fourth digit. Here the fourth digit is 8. 8 is greater than 5. So we can round up the number to 73.3 by adding 1 to the third digit. So our answer becomes 73.2 plus 1, 3. Then we can replace this 8 and 5 by zeros, which is equal to 73.3. Okay, 73.300 can be written as 73.3. Okay. Our next number is 1805. Here the fourth digit is 5. 5 is equal to 5. So add 1 to the third digit. 1, 8, 0 plus 1, 1 and replace the 5 by 0. So our answer is 1810. Okay. Next is 0.003826. 0.003826. Okay. Here, children, the first two digits are zeros. So our first significant figure is 3. Okay. We can't take a 0 as a significant figure. So here we are taking a non-zero digit as a first significant figure. First significant. So our first significant figure is 3, second 8, third 2, fourth 6. 6 is greater than 5. So 0.00382 becomes 0.00380, which is equal to 0.00383. Okay. Here we are adding 1 to the third significant figure. The third significant figure is 2. 2 plus 1, 3. Okay. And replace the fourth digit by 0. We can write it as 0.00383. Okay. Our next question is 0.07284. 0.07284. Here the first digit is 0. So we can't take it as a first significant figure. So our first significant figure is 7. Second is 2. Third is 8. Fourth is 4. 4 is less than 5. So we can write it as 0.07280. Okay. Because here the fourth digit is 4, which is less than 5. So we can replace the fourth digit by 0 and write the remaining digits. Okay. So our answer becomes 0.0728. Okay. So children, here we learn how to round a number to 3 significant figures. If we are rounding a number to fourth significant figure, look at the fifth significant digit. If the fifth significant digit is less than 5, then round the number down by removing the rest of the number after the fourth significant digit. Okay. Fourth significant digit. നമ്മൾ ഫോർത്ത് സിഗ്നിഫിക്കൻറ്റ് ഡിജിറ്റിലേക്കാണ് റൗണ്ട് ചെയ്യുന്നതെങ്കിൽ ഫിഫ്ത്ത് ഡിജിറ്റ് ആണ് നോക്കേണ്ടത്. ഇഫ് ദ ഫിഫ്ത്ത് ഡിജിറ്റ് ഈസ് ലെസ് ദാൻ 5, remove the rest of the number after the fourth significant digit and filling in with zeros. നമുക്ക് ആ ഡിജിറ്റ്സ് ഒക്കെ റിമൂവ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് അവിടെ സീറോസ് വെച്ച് ഫില്ല് ചെയ്യാം. ഓക്കെ. ഇഫ് ദ fifth significant digit is 5 or more, then round the number up by adding 1 onto the fourth significant digit. Okay. And removing the rest of the number and filling in with zeros. Similarly, we can round any number to the given significant figures. Fourth significant figure ആണെങ്കിൽ നമ്മൾ ഫിഫ്ത്ത് ഡിജിറ്റ് ആണ് നോക്കേണ്ടത്. ഫിഫ്ത്ത് ഡിജിറ്റ് ഈസ് ലെസ് ദാൻ 5, ദെൻ റിമൂവ് ദ റെസ്റ്റ് ഓഫ് ദ ഡിജിറ്റ് ആഫ്റ്റർ ദ ഫോർത്ത് സിഗ്നിഫിക്കൻറ്റ് ഡിജിറ്റ്. ഫോർത്ത് സിഗ്നിഫിക്കൻറ്റ് ഡിജിറ്റ് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ടുള്ള ഡിജിറ്റ്സ് റിമൂവ് ചെയ്തിട്ട് യു ക്യാൻ ഫിൽ ദ നമ്പർ വിത്ത് സീറോസ്. ഓക്കെ. ഇഫ് ദ ഫിഫ്ത്ത് ഡിജിറ്റ് ഈസ് 5 or more than, then we can add 1 to the fourth significant digit. ഫോർത്ത് സിഗ്നിഫിക്കൻറ്റ് ഡിജിറ്റിൻ്റെ കൂടെ 1 ആഡ് ചെയ്യുക ആൻഡ് റിമൂവ് ദ റെസ്റ്റ് ഓഫ് ദ നമ്പർ ആൻഡ് ഫിൽ ഇൻ വിത്ത് സീറോസ്. ബാക്കിയുള്ള ഡിജിറ്റ്സ് എല്ലാം സീറോസ് ആക്കി റീപ്ലേസ് ചെയ്യാം. ഓക്കെ. നൗ ലെറ്റ് മീ എക്സ്പ്ലെയിൻ അബൌട്ട് ദ significant figures. Okay. For finding the significant figures, we have to follow certain rules. That is, all non-zero digits are significant. That is, the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are significant digits. All zeros between two non-zero digits are significant. Children, here the number is 5004. Here the two zeros are in between two non-zero digits. So, we can take these zeros as significant digits. Here, the number of significant digits are 4. Okay. Then, all zeros to the right of both a number and a decimal in a decimal number are significant. Here, in this number, 3.4000, the zeros are after the decimal, or the zeros are to the right of the decimal. So we can take these zeros as significant figures. So here the number of significant figures are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So when we are counting the number of significant figures, we have to follow these rules. All non-zero digits are significant. That is, the digits from 1 to 9 are significant. All zeros between two non-zero digits are significant. രണ്ട് non-zero digitsന്റെ ഇടയിൽ വരുന്ന zeros significant ആയിരിക്കും. Then the zeros to the right of a number or a decimal are significant. ഒരു ഡെസിമൽ കഴിഞ്ഞു വരുന്ന സീറോസ് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ സീറോസ് ആഫ്റ്റർ ദ number are significant. Okay, let me explain this, children. Any zero after a non-zero number is significant only if there is a decimal in the number. നമ്മൾ സീറോസ് ചില കേസസിൽ സിഗ്നിഫിക്കൻ്റ് ആയിട്ട് എടുക്കുള്ളൂ. Let me explain this. 0.078. Here we can't take this 0 because it is coming in front of a number. Okay. So നമ്മൾ ഇവിടെ സിഗ്നിഫിക്കൻ്റ് എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ 7ഉം 8ഉം ആണ് എടുക്കുക. 7 is the first significant digit and 8 is the second significant digit. Okay. Here, children, any zero after a non-zero number is significant only if there is a decimal in the number. That is, decimal കഴിഞ്ഞു വരുന്ന സീറോസിനെ മാത്രമേ നമ്മൾ significant figures ആയിട്ട് എടുക്കുള്ളൂ. Here, in this number, 83,000, we can't take these zeros as significant. Okay. Because here in this number there is no decimal. So here there is only two significant figures, 8 and 3. But in this number there is a decimal, 83,000 dot. Okay. So we can take these zeros as a significant figure. So how many significant figures are here? 83000. 5 significant figures. Okay, here also in the third number is 83.000. Here also 5 significant figures because here these zeros are to the right of the decimal. Okay, decimal in the right side വരുന്നതുകൊണ്ട് ഈ സീറോസിനെ നമുക്ക് significant figures ആയിട്ട് കൺസിഡർ ചെയ്യാം. So here the number of significant figures are 5. But in 83,000, we can't take these zeros as significant figures because there is no decimal in this number. So the number of significant figures in this number is 2, 8 and 3 are 2 significant figures. Okay. Let me explain more examples, children. Here we are finding how many significant figures. SIG, FIGS means significant figures. Okay, SIG significant, FIGS significant figures are in the numbers below. Here this number 0.004035. We can't take these zeros as significant figures. We can't take these three zeros. So our first significant figure is 4, second 0, third 3, fourth 5. So number of significant figures is 4. Okay. Now second number 100276. Here we can take these zeros because these zeros are in between two non-zero digits. Okay. So which are the significant figures here, children? 100276. So 6 significant figures are here. Now in 2000, we can't take these zeros as significant figures because there is no decimal here. Okay. 2000 ഉള്ള നമ്പറിൽ ഡെസിമൽ ഇല്ലാത്തതുകൊണ്ട് നമുക്ക് ആ സീറോസിനെ സിഗ്നിഫിക്കൻറ്റ് ഫിഗേഴ്സ് ആയിട്ട് കൺസിഡർ ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റില്ല. സോ ഹിയർ ദ സിഗ്നിഫിക്കൻറ്റ് ഫിഗർ ഈസ് ഓൺലി 1, ദറ്റ് ഈസ് 2. 1 significant figure. Okay. Next 150.40. Here we can take both zeros as significant figures. Okay. Because this is to the right of this 0. After 4, the 0 is to the right of the decimal. So here the number of significant digits are 5. 15040. Okay. In fifth number 1.980, the number of significant figures are 4. Because this 0 is to the right of the decimal. Next question is 0.00085. We can't take these zeros, children, because it is in front of a non-zero digit. Okay. So here the two significant figures are 8 and 5. Two significant figures. In the next number, the two zeros are in between two non-zero digits. So the number of significant figures are 4. 8001. Okay. Next 7.00. Here these zeros are to the right of the decimal. So we can take these zeros as significant figures. So number of significant figures are 3. 700. Okay. Next 700. No decimal. So we can't take these zeros. Only one significant figure, that is 7. Next 700 dot. Dot means it is a decimal point. So we can take these zeros as significant figures. So how many significant figures are here? 3. Which are they? 700. Okay. Why we are taking these zeros, children? Because after these zeros there is a decimal. Okay. Next is 83.90. Here also the 0 is to the right of the decimal. So we can take this 0 as a significant figure. So the digits are 8390. 4 significant figures. Next is 0.08560. We can't take this first 0 because we are taking the first significant figure a non-zero digit. 0 അല്ലാത്ത ഡിജിറ്റ് മാത്രമേ നമുക്ക് ഫസ്റ്റ് സിഗ്നിഫിക്കൻറ്റ് ഫിഗർ ആയിട്ട് എടുക്കാൻ പറ്റുള്ളൂ. Okay. So here the significant figures are 8, 5, 6, 0, 0. So 5 significant figures. In the next number 89. After 89, how many zeros, children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 zeros. But we can't take these zeros because there is no decimal in this number. So here the two significant figures are two non-zero digits. Which are the non-zero digits? 8 and 9. So, two significant figures. Okay. We can't take these zeros as significant figures as there is no decimal in this number. Next is same number but there is a decimal. So, we can take these zeros as significant figures. So, how many significant figures here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 significant figures. Here we are taking these zeros as significant figures because these are to the right of the decimal point. Okay. Hope this topic is clear for you. Thank you, children.